Right, ladies and gentlemen, difficult to film in this very bad, dark winter light in London. This is a sort of trench art type matchbox case, sort of swan or Vesta case in beautifully burnished brass. It's more golden and yellow in reality. It comes across as rather pale here. It's got a button. I don't know whether the button is a sort of military button or it looks slightly more like a livery button of some sort. Actually, having said that, are they? I don't know if they're. No, I don't know what they're not kangaroos, but I don't know what the animals are. There's a royal lion over a shield with two sort of beasts either side. It's maybe some sort of county regiment badge, I'm not sure. But the nice thing about it is it's just been beautifully, smoothly worn in a pocket. It looks as though for decades somebody used it in their pocket, giving it a lovely overall burnish, and you can see the wear on the button that's taken the detail right down, but it gives it a marvellous tactile, smooth feel. I would imagine fairly standard matchbox size. I don't know, First World War, Boer War. It could be. It's got some age. It doesn't look much later than that, but lovely. As I say, not very well showing in this light. A matchbox which is of a yellowy brass rather than the pale brass you see here. Beautifully smooth and tactile. Thanks very much indeed. Bye.